A customer clicked your WhatsApp button, but do you know why they came? Which page did they visit? Which ad brought them here? What product are they interested in? In the past, businesses could only see the message, but not the story behind the lead. As more businesses add WhatsApp entry points to websites, landing pages, and product pages, a new challenge appears. Clicks can be measured, but what happens after the click is difficult to track. Support teams lack customer context, and marketers cannot tell which pages generate high-quality leads. To solve this problem, YCloud Chatlink connects website clicks with WhatsApp inbound messages, helping businesses understand not only who comes, but where the leads come from. The process is simple. Customers visit your website, click a WhatsApp entry point, and YCloud records the source. When they start a WhatsApp conversation, the source information is automatically linked to the conversation. For support teams, the biggest value is having more customer context. If a customer comes from a pricing page, agents can directly discuss pricing. If they come from a product page, agents can provide relevant information without asking repetitive questions. For marketing teams, Chatlink goes beyond tracking WhatsApp clicks. It helps identify which pages, ads, and entry points generate real conversations, allowing businesses to optimize campaigns and improve lead quality. For example, a product page may have two WhatsApp buttons. Previously, both conversations went to the same WhatsApp number, making customer intent unclear. With Chatlink, each entry point can be tracked separately. In YCloud Inbox, agents can view customer source information directly. For businesses needing deeper analytics, source data can also be sent through webhook to CRM or internal systems, connecting website sources, WhatsApp conversations, and final conversions. Chatlink supports two integration methods. The first is using YCloud Chat Widget. In the YCloud dashboard, create or edit a widget in Chatlink settings, enable source tracking, and add the generated widget code to your website. When customers enter WhatsApp through this widget, YCloud automatically records the page source and links it to the following WhatsApp conversation. The second method is for businesses that already have WhatsApp buttons or CTAs on their websites. If you already have buttons like Contact Us, Book a Demo, or Get Pricing, you don't need to change your existing design. Simply integrate Chatlink SDK to add tracking capabilities. After setup, WhatsApp conversations from different pages and buttons can be tracked and analyzed separately. When using Chatlink, keep in mind that it tracks real WhatsApp conversations, not just clicks. Customers need to send a message before the source can be linked. Regular WhatsApp links cannot capture page sources, so Chatlink Widget or SDK is required. In the past, businesses could see WhatsApp inquiries but not understand where they came from. YCloud Chatlink connects website traffic with WhatsApp conversations, giving support teams more context and helping marketers understand real conversions.